Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Payoneer update required error. First, open your app store and check if there is any new update available for the Payoneer app. If yes, update it immediately. Then, if the app is still updated but the error still shows, go to your phone settings and then open Payoneer and clear app cache. After that, restart your phone. You can also uninstall and install it again. Long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Payoneer, and reinstall it again from the App Store. Make sure you are downloading the correct official app. If you're using a browser, clear your browser cache and try logging in again. Usually, updating the app or reinstalling it fixes the update required error. That's how you fix the Payoneer update required error. Don't forget to like and subscribe.